Hello and welcome to Superior Genetics Health and Wellness. So you're ready to begin your hormone replacement therapy journey, but you're not exactly sure you understand the telehealth clinic process. I assure you the process is much easier than you think, and I'll walk you through it all in just 5 easy steps. Step 1. Sign up. The first step in the process is to complete the clinic intake form. To do this, you simply go to superiorgenetics.com and click on either Sign Up or Get Started. This step takes only a few minutes to complete, and all of the documents can be signed right from your cell phone or computer. Our staff will review your health and medical information, and you'll receive an email response from us the same business day. Step 2. Pay the one-time clinic fee. Your confirmation email will include a clickable link for you to pay the one-time clinic fee. This fee covers your medical charting, consultation, appointment with prescribing physician, and blood work if necessary. This is a one-time fee. Moving forward, all you'll ever be required to pay for is the cost of your treatment. Step 3. Get your blood work. Once you pay the clinic fee, we email you the physician's order for your blood work. There is no appointment necessary to have your blood drawn. Simply go to the LabCorp nearest you and show them the physician's order, and they'll take care of the rest. After your blood work is complete, LabCorp will provide us the results within 48 hours. Step 4. Schedule your pre-appointment consultation. Now that we have your blood test results, we can schedule your consultation. You'll receive an email to confirm your appointment. The pre-appointment consultation is performed before you meet the prescribing physician. We'll discuss dosing, safety, the refill process, blood work results, and your personal health or fitness goals. Once you complete the consultation, you'll receive an email to confirm your telemedicine appointment with your prescribing doctor. Step 5. Meet the doctor and get prescribed. All telemedicine appointments are done using virtual communication. This means no in-office doctor visits are required, and your appointments are done either by video or telephone. Once your appointment with the doctor has ended, the clinic will email you an invoice for your prescribed medications. Your medications will be shipped directly from the pharmacy to you. And that's how easy it is to get prescribed through the telehealth process here at Superior Genetics. I hope you found this video informative. And from all of us here at Superior Genetics Health and Wellness, we look forward to seeing you soon.